So myself and my wife are custom commission artists, and we make props and replicas from films. We use a variety of technologies to create the props and replicas. We've been working on a movie accurate slinky, and now we're working on a movie accurate RC. We'll of course be looking at a lot of image references to help us build the 3D model. The one thing that can be really handy is having a scan that gives us a starting point. So that's what started us down looking for a 3D scanning service. So one of the companies that stood out to us was Delta XD. The initial quote was higher than we expected. However, once we started to go through the parameters of what we needed, they walked us through everything, but also they made sure that they understood not just the model that we needed scanning, but our end result, what we were planning to do. That really impressed us and gave us confidence in them.
There were a few key challenges with this project. There was a couple of opaque pieces, as well as some areas of sort of high reflection, which can cause issues in the scanning process. So the workaround for that is using a sublimating surface preparation spray. This washes off easily, but allows us to get detailed scans of these parts. The other key challenge was the vast amount of parts that needed scanning for this particular model. However, by scanning the model as a whole and then disassembling it and scanning the individual parts, we were able to digitally reassemble it rather than working with lots of disconnected scans. The entire model is connected in one place. Tom can isolate individual sections to work on them in detail and then seamlessly return to the full model view, which will save him so much time in the long run.
Oh, I definitely would recommend Delta XD. We had every bit of confidence in the team's knowledge and their skills, but also getting to walk away with the final product. We saw so much more detail in the finished scans than we thought we'd walk away with, and all the parts that were involved that came together for the final 3D model gave us all the detail we could ask for, and it saves us a long time in the process of having to 3D print these parts, test fit, and that can cost us so much money and time. So we definitely will be coming back to Delta XD for the next scan that we need.